Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to add channel tags to your channel and why you should be adding them to your channel. Anyways, I'll be right back after the intro. Channel tags are useful because it helps YouTube know what kind of content you make. It also recommends it to people that like to watch that type of content, and your content will show up in the search results when someone searches something that's in your channel tags. For example, Mark's Brownie. He probably put tech reviews in his channel tags and video tags, which is why when I search up tech reviews, his channel shows up. So how do you add them to your channel? So you go here on your profile and click YouTube Studio. Then you click settings. Then you click channel. So you type the channel tag you want to add. Then you press enter. Or you could just press comma. And then you press save. If you can't decide what tags to add, just click my link in the description, then click this, install TubeBuddy, go to a competitor's YouTube channel, click Channelytics, and their keywords appear right here, and then you click copy keywords, and you could click copy keyboard to copy all of them, or just pick up the ones you want, and it's copied. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and anyways, see you next time.